Hi, I'm Kirby Allison. In today's video, I'm here to announce our ultimate garment and shoe care giveaway with the Styleforum. We're excited to be partnering with the Styleforum, which is easily the world's largest online community of clothing enthusiasts. Here at the Hanger Project, we're passionate about helping the well-dressed take care of their wardrobes. Quality clothing demands quality care, and all of the items in this giveaway will help you maintain the quality of your wardrobe and keep it pristine for years to come. To enter our ultimate garment and shoe care giveaway, you must first visit our contest page at hangerproject.com/giveaway. Visit the contest page by clicking the link in the top right-hand corner of this video. Once you land on this page, you can submit your entry 6 different ways. You can increase your chances of winning by completing multiple forms of entry methods. The first way to enter is by subscribing to the Hanger Project YouTube channel. The second way to enter is by following Styleforum on Instagram. The third way to enter is by following the Hanger Project on Instagram. The fourth way to enter is by subscribing to the Styleforum's newsletter. The fifth way to enter is by watching our video tutorial on how to produce the ultimate mirror shine. And finally, as bonus, the sixth way to enter is by referring friends to join our giveaway through a unique link. Each referral gives you 3 extra entries. So if you refer 5 friends, that gives you 15 extra entries. This kit retails for over $1,200 and includes a Hanger Project Ultimate Indulgent Hanger gift set, which has 5 luxury suit hangers, 15 felted trouser bars, and 20 luxury shirt hangers, or any combination of hangers of equal value. Our Saphir Shoeshine starter kit, including the entire mirror shine kit with it, 3 of our 38-inch Hanger Project garment bags, our double-sided luxury garment brush, and 5 of our shoulder dust covers. The final day to enter this contest is April 23rd. We'll select one lucky winner at random who will be contacted by email. Remember, the more ways you enter this contest, the higher your chances are of winning this absolutely fantastic prize. I'm Kirby Allison, and we love helping the well-dressed take care of their wardrobes. Good luck, and thanks for joining us.